App Train Show says, hey Wazzup guys, it's your boy Train Show here. In today's video, we will be showcase the MRT 7 Hyundai Rotem, and this train/line will be opened in 2021 or 2022 I think, and I have 1.17 now D, and please leave a comment, like, and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more train showcase. So yay, let's get start the showcase in. App Train Show says 3 car set though. App Train Show says you can give me credit for the middle car, if you don't find reference don't. App Train Show says though asterisk. App Train Show says light and I make the stair 1 block to look alike, it suck if this. App Train Show says which is more better, leave a comment below. App Train Show says this or this. App Train Show says I much prefer this. App Train Show says Metro is have no pantograph but have a third line ox, so this is the X of this. App Train Show says this is not Metro. App Train Show says so yay, that's pretty much it. Let's get again the 360 view of the train. So yay PLS, leave a comment, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more train showcase. Have a great day everyone, bye.